Physicists create powerful magnets to defreeze quantum computing. A team of physicists at the University of Texas at El Paso have created powerful magnets that could help to defreeze quantum computing. Current quantum computers need to be cooled to very low temperatures to function properly. This is because the qubits, the basic units of information in a quantum computer, are easily disrupted by heat. The new magnets developed by the UT El Paso team are much stronger than conventional magnets, and they can be used to create a much stronger magnetic field. This stronger magnetic field could help to keep the qubits in a coherent state, even at higher temperatures. The new magnets are made of a material called yttrium iron garnet, YIG. YIG is a very magnetic material, and it can be made to produce very strong magnetic fields. The UT El Paso team created the magnets by using a technique called pulsed laser deposition. This technique involves firing a laser at a target of YIG powder. The laser energy causes the powder to melt and then solidify into a thin film. The thin film is then patterned into the desired shape of the magnet. The new magnets are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize quantum computing. If they can be used to create quantum computers that can operate at room temperature, it would be a breakthrough. This would make quantum computers much more practical and affordable, and it would open up a wide range of possibilities for their use. Here are some of the potential applications of quantum computing. Breaking encryption. Quantum computers could be used to break current encryption standards, which would have a major impact on cybersecurity. Drug discovery. Quantum computers could be used to simulate the behavior of molecules, which could help speed up the development of new drugs. Materials science. Quantum computers could be used to design new materials with desired properties. Artificial intelligence. Quantum computers could be used to develop new AI algorithms that are more powerful and efficient than current ones. The development of powerful magnets that can defreeze quantum computing is a major step forward in the development of this technology. It is still too early to say when quantum computers will become a reality, but the progress that has been made in recent years is very encouraging. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos for more interesting information.